nursed him till the days were past. The days went by and he mended fast. Then from dawn till setting sun, he practiced with that deadly gun. Hour on hour I watched in awe. No human being could match the draw of Ringo.
Ringo, Ringo.
Then one day we rode the mountain crest. I went east and he went west. I took the wall and wore a star, while he spread terror near and far. But let blood he gained such fame throughout the land that feared the name of Ringo. I knew one day we'd face the test of which one of us would be the best, and sure enough, the word came down that he was holed up in the town. I led the posse out the street, and I went in alone to meet Ringo.
Ringo, Ringo.
They say my speed was next to none, but my lightning draw had just begun. When I heard a blast, he stung my wrist, and my gun went flying from my fist, and I was looking down the bore of the deadly 44 of Ringo.
Ringo, Ringo.
They say that was the only time that anyone had ever seen him smile, for he loaded his gun and said to me, breathing time, and at last I understood that there was still a spark of good in Ringo.
Ringo.
I blocked the path to his retreat. He turned and stepped into the street. A dozen guns spit fire and lead. A moment later, he lay dead. The town began to shout and cheer. Nowhere was a shed a tear. The word spread throughout the land that I had beaten Ringo's hand. It was just the years, they say, that made me put my guns away. But until this day, they can't explain the tarnished star